Hi everyone, here we've got Listo SP50 and let me share with you how to change video resolution or video quality on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are here, we have to switch to the video mode actually. So let's tap on this camera icon, and since you can see this red shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So let's tap on this stretch icon above it and enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner right now. Now let's scroll down a little, and as you can see here, we've got the video size for the back camera. So let's tap on it, and here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got HD, which is right now applied because this option is marked. We've got also SD, we've got CIF or low option. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. All you have to do in order to change it is to tap on the particular one, and as you can see, it is notified right here. So it means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen quality, but I highly recommend to keep the HD applied because this is the best video size possible in this device. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution or video size in the Listo SP50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.